Hey everybody, what's up? This is Z Dog coming to you today. I want to talk to you about something. Be sure to monitor how many days are left. Look at here. We go to a portal of portions. Oh, I don't know what it is. Yeah, portions. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days. Okay. So that is roughly 1 week and 2 days to go. And I would imagine that they'd probably give us 3 or 4 days after this is over, okay? Just so that we could a couple days to collect more candy corn, and then they'll give us a day to decide what we want to spend the remaining of our candy corns on. Then, if I am correct, guys, we will have harvest season. And you don't want to miss harvest season. It will be very, very interesting. I love harvest season along with the Halloween season because of the colors of fall. And harvest is great as well. Now, just to let you know, in some of the harvest season, there may be a few items from the Halloween season left over, such as maybe the haunted tree or fall time pathways, like the flowery pathways, or maybe cobblestone pathways. Something else that you could possibly get in harvest. Let's go down to my harvest thing here. That ain't it. You go harvest. Here we go. Another thing that you may end up actually getting is this wheat. This is part of harvest. This also can be purchased in the springtime as well, because wheat is not just a fall time thing, it is also a springtime thing. If you're a farmer, you know what I mean. There's fall time and then springtime. There's what we call winter wheat, is the wheat that grows through winter into the spring. Now, just to be, oh, look, a pumpkin. Just to be on that side, then you will find that there'll be other stuff. There might even be a sale on harvesting stuff, but you don't want to miss out on it. There might even be some new items coming out as well. If you see that we have our fall time harvest theme that we have here, let's see if I can't pull that up. Nope, that ain't it, is it? Sorry, guys. So what we have is we have an autumn theme. This is what we have here. We also have a harvest theme, which I actually have set up a little bit higher. There it is. I don't know, that's autumn. Sorry. Where did it go? There it is. All right, so I am using that. Let's see. This is also the harvest theme right here. Uh, there it is. This is the harvest theme. So I mean, the vibrant colors and everything, you don't want to miss it. So my encouragement is keep going through, collect all that you can. There's still 9 days, guys, and I do believe they'll give you a few more days to collect more candy corns, to collect pumpkins, to purchase more candy corn from the store. Now, I personally didn't do that this year because, look, they're wanting you to spend an arm and a leg to get half of one item. $25 to get half of one item. $50 to get one dragon. $50 to buy one dragon. If you can even buy one dragon with $50, and then $100 to buy a dragon and a half. This is ridiculous, guys. Super, super ridiculous. And I encourage you guys not to spend your money here. Go in, if you have to, buy little stuff. Buy little stuff. But don't go for the bigger stuff, because you're going to get ripped off. They say they're going to give you more, but in the end, you're really not getting anything. They're getting everything. So be careful about that. But we'll have habitats. We'll have other things coming out. Even this particular theme right here is also a harvest theme as well. It's a fall time. This is a seasonal, and they will always put seasonal stuff out because of the seasons. So I mean, harvest is a season. It's part of autumn. So I encourage you guys, come in, get everything you can, collect all these candy corns, man. Collect all these candy corns. And hopefully you can get the things that you're looking for. Here in a couple days, I'm going to probably make another video where I'm going to try to encourage people to let me film the inside of their parks. I'm going to get on and request from my friends, all of them. But you can leave a message now and be like, yes, film the inside of my park. And then we can encourage other people to join in with us. This is Z-Dog. Until next time, please like and subscribe like always. And we'll talk to you next time.